Hello students, I wish you all very good morning, good afternoon and good evening. I welcome you in my video again. Today we are going to discuss a wonderful story from our text An Alien Hand, that is the Chandani. Chandani is the story about the freedom and importance of freedom in our life. Nobody wants to be under control. Nobody wants to be in slavery. Even animals, they enjoy their freedom. Even they are ready to be killed, but they wanted to be free. So, I hope you will enjoy this story. We'll begin with this. So, students will discuss about this wonderful story. We'll come towards Chandani. Here in the story, Abu Khan, who is the main character, and Chandani is a goat, which is another character. The story revolves around these two characters. Abu Khan kept goats as pets. He loved his goats, but they left him one by one. He bought a young pretty goat and called her Chandani. So we will start with these points. Once upon a time, there lived an old man in Almora. He was popularly known as Abu Khan. So, in Almora, there lived a man. He was popularly known as Abu Khan. He lived all alone except for a few goats, which he always kept as pets. He gave his goats funny names such as Kalua, Mungia, or Gajri. He would take them out for grazing during the day and talk to them as one talks to one's own children. At night, he would bring them back to his little hut and put a string around the neck of each goat. So students, you can see over here, actually Abu Khan loves his goats very much. He loves his goats as if those are his children. He fed them with good foods for food for these goats like juicy grass, even grains. With that, he fed them. But what he did at night when he would come back after grazing, he put the string around the neck of each goat. Poor Abu Khan was a little unlucky in the matter of his goats. Very often at night, one of the goats would pull and pull at the string till it broke loose and then would disappear in the hills beyond. But poor Abu Khan was very unlucky in the matter of his goats. It was uh, it used to happen that one of the goats one or other night it just broke the string and it went to the hill. It disappeared towards the hilly area. Goats in hilly regions hate being tied to trees or poles. So these goats in hilly regions, they hate being tied. They did not like to be tied. They wanted to graze freely at the hilly area. They did not want that they have to be tied to trees or poles. They love their freedom. Abu Khan's goats were of the best heel breed. They too love their freedom, and Abu Khan's goats, those were purely heel breed. Okay, those were the goats from heel breed, and they enjoyed at the heel freedom at the heel only. They too loved their freedom, so whenever they got the chance, they would run away only to get killed by an old wolf who lived in the hills. So, this was the tragedy. Tragedy means this was the sad story, or this was the sad experience of Abu Khan, that one or other day, one or other of his goats, it gets freed itself, and it gets free. It frees himself. And what happens, that goat went to hilly area, to the hill where there lived an old wolf, and that old wolf killed his goats. So Abu Khan did not understand these things. Whenever one of his goats disappeared, Abu Khan was very sad. It was very sad experience for Abu Khan. He did not understand why even the juiciest grass and grains that he gave them, and all the love that he showered on them, would not stop these unfortunate goats from running straight into the jaws of death. This was a mystery. What is meant by mystery? Mystery means a secret which could not be revealed. The secret which does not have any answer. So it was a mystery for Abu Khan, that why these goats, these unfortunate goats, unfortunate means unlucky goats, we can say, they run straight into the jaws of death. Why did these goats, they they got themselves free from the tie of that string, and they went to hilly area, and in that area where that old wolf was living, and that old wolf killed them. What was there? Why did these goats do actually? Are these goats mad? He wondered. He wondered that were those goats mad, or was it their love for freedom? But freedom meant struggle, hardship, even death. So if they choose freedom, but that freedom was nothing but struggle, hardship, and even death for them, Abu Khan couldn't solve the mystery. One day, when his goats had left him, Abu Khan said to himself, "No more goats in my house ever again. I may yet live for a few more years, but I shall live without goats." So a day come when no goat left with him, and he decided that now he would not keep any goat, he will live alone. However, the poor man was terribly lonely, but he could not live without his pets. Okay, without his pets, he could not live. He started feeling very lonely. He simply couldn't do without his pets. Very soon, he bought a young goat. He thought, a young goat will stay with him, with me much longer. She will soon begin to love me as well as the food I give her every day. She will never want to go to the hills. And he laughed with joy. So he thought that he would do one trick. He would just bring a young goat, and from this uh, from young age of that goat, if he would provide good quality, good food, okay, juicy grass, grains, and such good foods, if he would provide to that goat, and he would love that goat, so that that goat would become habitual with this, and that goat would never leave him, and he laughed with joy. The new goat was pretty. She was white as snow and had two little horns on her little head. So, a very pretty goat he brought. She was white as snow, okay, and she had two little horns on her little head. So, Abu Khan had bought a new goat. Now, this is the question, that would that goat live forever with him, or same way the goat would leave him and went to the hill to enjoy its freedom. So what happens in the story further, will discuss this in the next part of my video. Today we'll stop over here. Thank you very much.